Hello, and welcome to the problem statement and the goal statement. My name is Ross Maynard, and I'm a Fellow of the Chartered Institute of Management Accountants here in the UK. Okay, the problem statement and the goal statement are useful milestones in an improvement project. The problem statement sets out the problem in a clear way that everyone can understand, and the goal statement provides the vision of what we're trying to achieve by improvement. So the problem statement summarizes the problem in a way that everyone understands and can buy into, and it provides a foundation for the improvement project. The goal statement defines the clear vision for the outcome of the project with measures as appropriate. So firstly, the problem statement. The problem statement is created after you've mapped the process and identified the problems in it, including the constraints, the delays, the risk points, points where errors are created, and so on. That means that you need to study the process in some detail before you can compose a useful problem statement. And the problem statement provides a summary of what's wrong with the process in a way that those outside the improvement team can understand and can buy into. So typically the problem statement will comprise 3 or 4 sentences. What is the business problem? What are the consequences of the problem? Who is affected and how? What are the impacts of the problem on the process or on the organisation? And quantify those if you can. You should avoid identifying the cause of the problem or the solutions at this stage. We're just trying to define the problem in a way that everyone can buy into. So the problem statement might look like this. Currently, the XYZ process is deficient and some results in specific problems for customers and specific problems for the organisation. If you can't define the problem statement in 2 or 3 sentences, then you don't understand the process well enough. So this is an example problem statement from a company making deliveries to customers, and they're talking about their delivery process. Currently, our delivery service is unreliable, with 20% of items not arriving in the delivery window specified to the customer. An average of 40 customer complaints a day relate to poor delivery performance. This results in dissatisfaction and frustration for customers, significant compensation costs, and loss of future sales. So that's a good succinct problem statement. The goal statement is effectively the opposite of the problem statement and also shows a couple of sentences. It is a short vision statement of what we would like to achieve by addressing the problem. What would we like the process to achieve? What will be the impact on customers and on the organisation? How will key metrics be impacted by the improvement? So it's appropriate to have some targets for performance measures. And for that same delivery process that we saw the problem statement for, here is the example goal statement. To consistently reduce the number of deliveries outside of the specified window to less than 5%, reducing customer complaints and reducing compensation claims due to poor delivery performance to 10% of the current level. Of course, the problem statement and the goal statement give us a gap between the two. The goal statement produces the vision of where we would like the process to be, complete with measures of good performance. The problem statement defines all that is wrong with the process as it currently operates, and the gap between the two shows what we need to improve. The job of the improvement team is to develop plans to fill that gap. Don't fight the system, change the rules, and the system will change itself, as Russell Ackoff said.